Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, I don't have a lot of time today. I'm just gonna get a couple of these small 1S batteries in on my my Air65. Look at all the grass that's going on. It's turning green from all the grass. Yeah, I'm gonna just take a couple of short flights and I'll post a video, and that'll be it for today. But thanks so much for watching, and I really love my new goggles. The HDZERO goggles are awesome. Yeah, I just love I love flying, and I'm really happy that you want to hang out with me while I do it. So we'll see you next video. Enjoy. All right, VTX is on. DVR is armed. Arm the motors. Armed. Gonna take off. Go over to the trees for a second here and check out what's going on. Good. Alright, down to the trees. I love doing that. It's not that hard. Well, I couldn't do it a few months ago, but I just love the feeling of sinking down through the trees. Do a couple flips. Very cool. What's going on over here? Doggy's getting his nails cut, so she comes to the house and cuts the nails. Alright. I like flying the Air65 more than the Air75. I feel like it's easier to control, and I feel like I can whip it around a little easier too. It's just good flying. Whee! Alright, for battery number 2. Alright, and a good VTX. DVR is armed. It's armed the motors. And let me get comfortable here. We'll take off. Alright. The trees again. Little spinny spin here. Remember, I'm just trying to get good at all the fine movements, right? Like flying fast is easy. Well, it's kind of easy. Flying slow, you have to have way better throttle control, and you gotta have way more like little micro movements to keep steady. Whew. It's hard. I'm still going. Still going. And my body's all stressed. I'm all tensed up. My legs are tensed up. It can be stressful flying. Alright, let's fly through the patio here. Do this a couple times. Right. Oh, hit the top of the furniture. But it did not slow me down. Alright. So funny, if I had a camera on me right now, you would see me like leaning and dodging and moving my head like I'm gonna hit something. Feels real when you're wearing the goggles. It feels real. Nice. Alright, let's bring it in land. Alright, good flight. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.